love stick. And what that is a stick about a foot or two long. Young man carves that into his own design. So no two love sticks are the same. But what he uses that for is to go visit.
Look at that, Luke! Look at that, look at that! Woo! Oh! But what should they look at? Stay back the hook.
There it is, guys. The
Are you
first
gonna
time
release it?
Aaron has caught a fish.
Yay! Yo, you see that fish?
Slippery guy.
Catch and release.
Okay, walk up around the middle.
Look at the ones right here by the tree. Wow.
Look at that. It's a big line and the massive wall.
You see them? They're coming up underneath the tree.
So when you got your fish, you gotta see what he's been eating.
They're right under those tree branches.
Yeah, the things are covered with the slippery stuff like that.
Have a day.
Oh, we need louder.
Half day.
Half a day!
Yus masih perin-perin itu. Sinya menholom, noni kosa si maninata. Ilati, igima, ilisung zani tanu. Kuma noni isagan mami zani kosa si maninata kuma biram tu holom. Maila holom. First thing you do is watch your, be careful when you guys are demonstrating or when you guys are doing this. Okay, first thing you do is stab the coconut. Kill the coconut. Make sure want to make sure it's dead. Keep it in there, push it in there just a little bit. Okay, and after that I want to bring it back to life, so you want to give it some compressions. Push forward just like this. Just like that. Take the other side just like that. Now, like I said, please be careful.
You took way faster than I would take a coconut to husk.
And that's how you husk a coconut.
Yay.
You guys thought that was fast?
Yeah.
Harder than it was.
What we call this in Chamorro? We call this atsu. Everybody say atsu.
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 Atsu. Ah.
In English, Dwayne Johnson.
Dwayne Johnson.
The Rock.
I'm sure you guys have opened up. Right into your eyes, see the line. Always hit it right smack in the okay? Always hit it.
Don't smack your arm.
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Yes.
Ooh, nice crack.
Murder coconut.
There it is.
Water.
See that?
Jeez.
Ooh.
Jeez. That's a lot of water.
Look at that. Yummy. Look at the coconut meat. Ooh, that's a good one. Happy birthday, John.
Happy birthday.
Maybe it'll give you youth.
Alright, I don't know. Since you're an adult, I'm sorry I don't have any Malibu on you.
Yeah.
It's very fresh. Did you get the
Tastes good. Very good. And this, you know that's good. Okay. Now see this white stuff in here? This is the coconut meat.
Sen.
Where you find inside a young coconut.
Got some fresh
I'll show
coconut.
this then.
That's yummy. What is that? Star fruit. Yeah, star fruit, baby, from the star fruit tree.
And these right here, these are the soup tops. On the tree, longest set. Oh, everybody said longest set.
Longest.
It tastes sweet when you get into it.
Wow. Oh, you're eating it good.
Juicy.
Close to 2,000 years.
Not before we cook.
So these actually very ancient. That's why you asked you guys not to push. Now lighting stones are actually what it's actually the symbol of our church. But yes, the men and women actually put their hair right through the hat, keeps it down and really really. Ready? First contestant, ready? Ready? 1, 2, 3.
I should have chose.
You got a hat? Get the hat. Yeah.
Whoever wins gets a few spots. Whoever loses gets a few spots. Oliver, either way.
You can give it to Daddy.
Ready? Next contestant, ready? 1, 2. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh yeah.
It's strong.
Who wants to see me make fire?
All of us.
Fire. Who wants to see me make fire? Who wants to see me get fire? Say my name.
Where are you gonna put the fire though? Smoking the beer.
You guys want to see fire? Who wants to see fire?
Hey!
Oink oink. Thanks. Yeah, baby. Yeah.
You were right.
Hi, Lyric.
I can